So today we are going to read the chapter Who I Am, where the children have discussed their hobbies and they have also discussed what are the things they like the most, what do they want to do in their life, and what are their hobbies, what are their dislikes, and what they want to do. Shania, unmute yourself and read. Shania,
Yes, ma'am. My
you are
favorite activity. Chapter 1. Chapter name. What my favorite activity is climb tree. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branch spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit com- comfortably
comfortably.
comfortably in the fork of two branches. My mother tells me is not sensible for girls to climb tree, but one afternoon she climbed up two, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world.
So you can see here that Radha is sharing at what she want to do. Her favorite activity is climbing trees, and just outside her house there is a mango tree, and its branches are spread out. And she wanted to climb on that tree, and she sit on the tree. Fork means branches of the tree, and her mother tells us that it is not sensible for girls to climb the trees. So you can see what is the scenario of the people towards the girls, that they are saying that it is not sensible. If any boy is sitting on the branch of tree, then his mother will not say okay, but now her mother is saying that it is not sensible for the girls to climb. It means boys can climb on the trees. So you can see the judgment what people give. Okay, so but what happened one afternoon, she sat also on the tree and she was eating raw mangoes, and at that time she was feeling that she can rule the whole world. Okay. So what is the favorite activity of Radha? What is the favorite activity of Radha? Can anyone tell me? What is the favorite activity of Radha?
The favorite
Can I
activity
climbing trees?
Climbing tree.
climbing on trees.
I'm climbing on trees.
Can you name the
I'm
tree
climbing on
which tree it was? Can you name the tree which tree it
mango
was?
tree.
Yes.
Mango tree.
Why it is easy to climb up the tree? Why it is easy to climb up the tree?
And can I tell Kashvi?
There's
I'm
Kashi.
connected
Kashi, speak up.
Because its branches are spread out, so that's why it's easy to climb the tree.
Yes,
The
absolutely
mango
right.
tree.
Okay, now we'll move on to the Nasir. Okay, second boy is Nasir, first is girl Radha. Now Vaibhav, read beta, unmute yourself and read about Nasir. Vaibhav, continue reading. Yes, read with full voice modulation.
When I grow up, I want because a sand collector.
I want to
We
become
have
a seed collector.
seed collector. We have cotton field in our village
In our
and every
village,
village. My father spends a lot of money on
buying new seeds.
buying new seeds to grow your cotton plant. And my grandfather told me that our years ago, that many years ago, we could and collect the seed from this over plants which could be sown on to grow new plant during the next year. But today that does not work, so we
have to spend money to buy new seeds. Every simple year, I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn know how to. Ma'am, ये क्या है?
Yes. So you can see here Nasir is saying when he grows up, he will become a seed collector. Why he wanted to become a seed collector? Because he have cotton fields in their village, and every year his father is spending a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow out cotton plants. So his grandfather told him that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants and which could be sown, and so money can be saved to purchase new plants. Okay, so now, but today that doesn't work. We have to spend money to buy new seeds. But now his grandfather is saying that today this method is not working because we don't have the proper knowledge how to grow plants from the seeds. Okay, so that's why he want to become a seed collector. That how can he collect the seed? How can he plant that seed? He wanted to know the whole procedure. That's why he want to become a seed collector so that he can save the money of his father. Okay, so I think this paragraph is clear to everyone. Next is Rohit. Yes, beta, you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Next one is Rohit. So first one is Radha. She likes to climb the trees. And second one is Nasir. Wants to become, likes to climb trees. And Nasir wants to become a seed collector.
Seed collector.
Yes. Puneet, read beta. Read Rohit.
After Puneet, can I read Kashvi?
I'm choosing boys. Okay. If a boy is character, so I'm choosing boys to read as a character.
If
Okay.
if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see the coral. I suppose I should go to the Karnak temple in Osira or Old City in Belgium in China and pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings.
So you can see here, Rohit would like to travel. He wanted to travel. That's why he want a huge amount of money, because you people know that if we want to travel somewhere, so we need a lot of money. Okay. And what he want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look so beautiful in the magazine picture. He wished that he could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. He wanted to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. And he supposed that he should go to the Konark temple in Odisha or the old city in Beijing in China. And he wanted to visit see the pyramids in Egypt also. But what he actually enjoys, he loved nature. He wanted to be with nature. He wanted to enjoy with the nature. Arsh, read this paragraph. Sarabjit.
Yes, ma'am. What makes me very angry is when people did not believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because Ravi wrote my book and forget to return it, or I tell my parents that it was not me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I
Mute
tell my
yourself.
teacher uh, I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. They, uh, the, the look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoe and could not to
And
10.
count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. Okay, now Sarabjit is telling what makes him angry is when people don't believe him that he was telling the truth. Even he is giving example of his teacher. If he is saying to his teacher that he couldn't do the homework because he Ravi borrowed his friend, his one of his friend borrowed the book from him and he forgot to return it. But teachers do not believe him. So he is also telling that when I tell my parents that it wasn't me, but my little brother who started the fight. When he was confessing that I have not started the fight, it was my little brother's fault. Or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even I have got bad marks. When he has got bad marks, he's telling his teacher that I studied, but I have got bad marks. But his teacher doesn't believe him. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. And they all were looking at him that if he's telling lies because he's not showing the result. Sometimes he becomes angry because nobody is believing him. And he wanted to look at that time, he will look down at his shoes and count to 10 so that he will not show others that he is angry. Okay, he wanted to control his anger. Clear, children? He wanted to control his anger.
Yes, ma'am.
I think all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
characters are clear to you people.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's why I'm
Yes,
writing
ma'am.
here so that you will come to know. So we are having Radha who likes to climb trees, then Nasir wants to become a seed collector, then Rohit likes to travel, Sarabjit dislikes and people don't believe him. So he wanted that everyone should believe him. Now our next character is Dolma, very interesting character. I
And
like this
Kashvi?
character a lot. Yes,
Ma'am,
Kashvi,
may
you
I
can
tell
read
it
this
again?
one. Kashvi,
Okay,
read
ma'am.
this.
Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am not sure. I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars.
Okay. So here we can read about Dolma. She wanted to become a prime minister, and she is telling that when she tells other children that she wanted to be a prime minister, everyone laughs at her, and they don't believe that she can be prime minister. So now she is telling that everyone is in his class is taking solution to their problems, and she is helping them. And even her teacher also trusts her when something needs to be done in school. When they are doing something good in school, the teachers are trusting Dolma, and they want now Dolma. Why she want to become a prime minister? Because she want to make things better for everyone. She's thinking about everyone. She want to help everyone. She want to have good hospitals and roads and schools. So she is having such a good thing in her mind to help people. So she want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So you can see that all the things which she is thinking as a prime minister. So she is perfect to be the prime minister because she is thinking for the welfare of all the people. Okay. The next one is, now am I audible, children? Am I audible?
Yep.
As you can see, Dolma's aim is to become a prime minister, and she is working according to that. She is helping people. She want to set up hospitals, and even in school also, teachers trust her. And when they are having any kind of work, they are trusting Dolma. Okay, and children are also asking their solutions of their problems from Dolma. And Dolma want to set up hospitals and roads and schools. She also want that scientists should invent cures for diseases. She wanted her people to be healthy also. So she is having certain beautiful thoughts in her mind. She wanted to help people. Now Jhanak read Peter. Naman, read beta. Peter.
My favorite